Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about Lonely Deal Reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. And if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. So people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we'll discuss about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products do they deals with. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with clothing products. They offer different kind of clothing products and they mainly offer women's clothing. So you can check this out by visiting to their official website. Now we are going to check the other details of this site. So first we'll check the payment method. They have given it here. You can pay through Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club and Discover. Now if you want to know about the shipping policy, go to the shipping policy page section. So they have given the processing timing and the shipping timing. So the processing timing takes 5 to 7 business days and the shipping timing takes 5 to 12 business days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 27 of October 2021 and will expire on 27 of October 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted. Now we'll check the about us details. So here as you can see, they provided very few details and they have not given any information regarding their brand, about their founder identity or about their business establishment here, which is a negative sign of this website. They've only given some information about their mission and about their vision. So you can check this out. Next, we're going to check the contact details. Here also, they haven't provided the full contact details. They've only given the email address. But the email address name does match the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, so this website has mentioned that they have social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. But we have checked out by ourselves, but we didn't find their social media presence anywhere. If we click on any of these icons, it will only lead you to your own social media account, which is a negative sign of this website. So next, we're going to check the return and refund policy. So here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund, they have said that the processing time of the PayPal will take 3 to 8 business days. So you can check this out. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Lonely Deal Reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the Trust Next score of this website is only 2% and the business trust ranking is only 42.9%, which is very low and bad. Also, the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Lonely Deal Reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a very new website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. And this website has not provided the full contact details. Also, Trust Next score is very poor. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And guys, have a nice day.